Welcome back to our series, From Dull to Dynamic, Song Facts for ELT Success, transforming songs into engaging classroom experiences. Previously, we delved into the technique of incorporating movie titles, trailers, and reviews to enhance your students' reading, listening, and critical thinking skills. Today, we're going to turn the spotlight on song titles. We'll explore how they can serve as powerful tools to captivate your students, build their vocabulary, sharpen their critical thinking, and connect them with the music they resonate with. Here are some pro tips to maximize the benefits of this strategy. 1. Handpick song titles that resonate with your students' language proficiency and interests. Make sure to select song titles that your students can relate to and comprehend easily. Tailor your choices to their tastes, or choose chart toppers that have universal appeal. 2. Trigger creativity by having students jot down words associated with the song title. Encourage them to think outside the box and note down any words that pop into their heads when they hear the song title. 3. Promote critical thinking by encouraging students to classify their words and rationalize their choices. Let them work in pairs or small groups to group their words and discuss the reasoning behind their associations. This exercise will stimulate their creativity and critical thinking prowess. 4. Use this activity as a launchpad to a broader conversation about music and culture. Initiate discussions by posing questions like, what kind of music do you enjoy? What role does music play in your life? Or how does music mirror culture? These conversations will help your students relate the vocabulary they have just learned to real-life contexts. 5. Expand the scope with extension activities. You could stretch this exercise further by prompting your students to create their own song titles and corresponding word pairs. They could also showcase their creations to the class. That's a wrap for today. Harnessing the power of song titles can add an exciting twist to your English language lessons. I hope these tips will empower you to fully leverage this strategy in your classroom. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll explore yet another exciting way to turn movie trailers into riveting classroom experiences. Until then, keep on teaching and turning those flat notes into educational gold.